Experience bedding infused with cooling natural fibres to keep you comfortable all night. Introducing MintLab, the revolutionary cooling bedding that promises to transform your sleep experience. Our world-first fabric is crafted from a unique blend of refreshing mint, silky eucalyptus, and durable pine fibres, helping you sleep cooler, deeper, and better. Menthol, found in mint, provides a natural cooling effect by stimulating cold-sensitive receptors in the skin, lowering skin temperature even during the hottest nights. Eucalyptus fibres excel at drawing moisture away from your body, keeping you dry and comfortable, and pine fibres add durability and a soft, silky feel to the fabric. Our fabric has the luxurious texture of silk but is much more durable, hypoallergenic, antibacterial, and resistant to dust mites. Even after 200 washes, the fabric does not degrade and is just as effective as day one. Having struggled with chronic insomnia myself, I know how crucial a good night's sleep can be for your health and daily life. Traditional bedding materials trap heat, making it difficult for your body to regulate temperature, essential for quality sleep. At MintLab, we've developed a patent-pending fabric that is silky soft, breathable, and a naturally cooling material. This helps you fall asleep faster, but also ensures you stay asleep longer, providing a restful and refreshing night's sleep every time. Our signature blend ensures that air circulates freely, preventing heat buildup and allowing your body to maintain the optimal temperature for sleep. Unlike other cooling bedding that use synthetic materials like nylon and polyester, our fabric is natural and sustainable. Plus, it's 100% plant-based, vegan, and cruelty-free. We're ready to bring this innovative product to the world, but we need your support. By backing our campaign, you will help us bring the next generation of functional bedding to life and provide a better sleep for all. Help us make sleepless nights a thing of the past and discover the future of restful sleep.